Hi everyone. The last website I'd like to talk about with you is GoNoodle. The main purpose of this website is just for brain breaks. It's basically an online playlist for kid-appropriate videos, and I'll show you some of the categories they have and some of the videos they have in just a moment. And then if you pay for their subscription, it also has some added things in there for kinesthetic learning, and I'll kind of show you a little bit more what I mean about that. Everyone in my elementary school, all the way from kindergarten to sixth grade, use this, and I've also had some nieces and nephews that have done it for the preschool age kids. Let's take a look at the website. So once you make a teacher account, this is kind of what it looks like. You get to pick a character. You can see little Rufus down here is our character that we're working on right now. Every 10 videos you complete, he grows and gets added things to added arms, or every character is a little bit different, so they really enjoy watching their character grow. So this is just the Discover page. You can go to categories. And as you can see, they have some that have to do with math, science, ELA, social studies, all that kind of stuff that are for free. Then there's mindfulness videos, sensory and motor skills, school life. One of the categories is movement type, so the kind of movement that you want them to complete. The one I use the most is channels. And I usually let my students choose from the channels. Let's see if I can get it to pop up here. Maybe. Maybe not. We'll come back to that. Let's see. So this is the plus where you can add a subscription to it, and there's more videos that you will have access to. You can create your own, almost like little quiz or something like that. One of the examples, one of the things that I tried, I did like a free membership for like 30 days. One of the things I really liked the most was there was a video where I could input spelling words, the spelling words that we were working on, and then it would have the kids, they would play music, and it would have the kids dance and move around, and then it would stop, and then they had to whisper spell the word that they said, and then they'd put it up on the screen for you to see and kind of check your own work, and then they'd start playing music again. So it was just a fun way to practice spelling words. They have the same kind of things for math and everything. Let me see if I can get this. I don't know why these channels aren't popping up. I can't really see what I'm doing here. Okay, sorry about that. I did some rearranging here and got the categories or the channels to pop up for you. So here's the options for the categories and the different channels that they have. As you can see, they have like some Kids Bop dance videos that they can sing along. It's almost like a Just Dance type thing. They have Zumba. They've picked some YouTube videos in here that are kid appropriate. Some of them have to do with counting. Just some fun songs that they can dance to and kind of get their bodies up and moving. Most of the videos are short, only 2 to 3 minutes long. Moose Tube is one of their favorites. It has different funny, silly songs that they can sing along to. Most of my kids know all the words to all these. Oops. And they also have this indoor recess activity. So these are longer videos. As you can see, they're like 13.5 minutes, 12.5 minutes here. But it's basically a whole bunch of activities to get your kids moving, especially on these days when we have indoor recess because it's too cold or too much snow. This is a really fun activity for them to do to kind of get their bodies up and moving and that sort of thing. So again, this is mainly just for brain breaks and that sort of thing, but there are some learning activities in here and even more options if you pay for the Plus program. So I hope you enjoy.